No, no, he cannot change the fate of the nation, but he is a sincere man, that is enough. Americans are interested about the uranium of Nepal, about the other, the other so many natural resources here in Nepal. They are interested. They want to exploit Nepal. They want to destroy Nepal.
Prem Kadi sir, welcome to the Gorkha Spirit.
Thank you very much.
So, our Nepalese politicians are so much corrupted.
Yeah.
So, what's the reason behind this?
They are personally corrupted, very greedy people, and they are not ideologically sound people. They are not loving their nation and people. They are the foreign agent, and they are the corrupt agent of international imperialist powers. So they are destroying our country. Like everywhere in the world, the capitalist rulers are the corrupt people. And these people now, they may be by the name of Communist Party or Maoist Party or any name, but they are capitalist rulers. They are petty bourgeois people, and they are very much corrupt. They are doing everything for their family only. They are not doing anything to the nation, to the party worker, to the people. They are not loyal to anybody. They are loyal to their family. They are loyal to their master, international master. They are very corrupt people. They are anti-national people. So, I request the friends of Nepal everywhere in the world, they must support the patriotic forces in Nepal, and they must expose these so-called Nepalese party leaders. They are very much corrupt.
Okay, so most of the power center,
Yeah.
they are interested in Nepal. So,
Yeah,
what's the
international
reason?
powers are interested. They want to make Nepal their under their domain, under their rule. They want to exploit. Especially Americans are interested about the uranium of Nepal, about the other, the other so many natural resources here in Nepal. They are interested. They want to exploit Nepal. They want to destroy Nepal. They are also aggressive against the Nepalese society, Nepalese religion, Nepalese culture. They want to destroy it. They are supplying Rohingya criminals to Nepal. They are supplying anti-Hindu forces here in Nepal. They are just paying money. Even in the American Senate and in American House of Commons, there are questions about the, they are giving money and to destroy the Nepalese religion, Nepalese faith, Nepalese, they are doing so many conspiracy against Nepalese culture, religion and society.
So, people are not happy with the MCC.
Yeah.
So, how they pass the MCC from the parliament?
MCC, the leaders of the political parties, they get big sum of money. They all are corrupted. So they, the house was against the MCC. People were against MCC, but the conspiracy and the the greedy leader, they get money from America, they get dollar, and they sell their country.
So, leaders are not afraid of doing the corruption in our country.
Like in Sri Lanka, people just revolted against the rulers. In Nepal also, within a very few period, within a few days, there may be a big revolt in Nepal also.
So, what makes it that Nepal will be going to in the revolt very soon?
The corrupted leader and the anti-national leader and the American army, 22,700 army are American army are in Nepal now. They are there are 17 officers they make here, and they are playing with Nepal. Even in the remote Himalayan area where there is no necessary of American soldier, there is their office, contact office. And first of all, the American army visited one Shivpuri High School with American dress. There was a huge, people were against that type of action. So later, now they are having Nepalese army dress. American army are wearing Nepalese army dress, and the Nepalese army commander-in-chief, he participated in the Indo-Pacific meeting, Indo-Pacific strategy meeting. So this is against Nepalese constitution. This is against Nepal's principle of non-alignment. So Nepalese people are against this type of illegal participation and illegal work. But the leader, Prachanda, is, he has a 3-point agreement with the CIA. Now with only 32 MP, he is the Prime Minister, because CIA is supporting him. This is now the so-called this Republican system is a American conspiracy against Nepal. So Nepalese people are not satisfied with this system. So people may revolt very soon.
So Nepal is very rich in the resource, natural resources.
Natural resource.
But the
and
country
the water
is very
resource,
poor.
every resource in Nepal,
So how the country is so poor?
Because the leader, without any mission, without any vision, Prachanda, he is a just, he is a agriculture graduate. He is not a politician. He has no political idea. In the same way, the other leaders, they are also just not academically sound people. They are very poor people, no idea, just they are guided by international machineries. So they are doing the nation in a, destroying nation. They are destroying our nation.
So KP Oli, so he is asking the majority to change the nation for its prosperity. Do you think he is capable to change the country's future?
No. KP Oli is a, he never did any good job for the country. There is no any example. He is a, just 2 times we have seen that about the, the land which is captured by the Indian army now, the Nepalese land of Darsula district, Limpiadura, Lipure, Kalapani. In the map, in the parliament, he endorsed that land. And second, he was against the Indian, the Indian side. They were, they make Nepal blockade. There was a blockade, Indian blockade. KP Oli was against Indian blockade, and so he has been given a very good, position in the parliament. But he did nothing. When he was the second time Prime Minister, he did nothing.
Okay, it means he is visionless leader.
But not only visionless, but corrupt leader also.
So India
because Giribandhu Tea Estate was a great, the
scam.
Corruption scandal, that he is responsible for that.
Okay, our relation with India is not very good nowadays due to so many.
Not only India, we have no good relation with China, in India, with Russia. Russians are ready to provide, you know, the whatever we need, the road building, other factory building, in any sector, in electricity building, Russians are ready to finance, but the files are in the, you know, in the Daraz, in the Almira.
Nepal and India has not a good relation due to its border dispute.
No, no,
in
not
Mahakali,
only border dispute, there are other disputes also.
So let's talk about this. So KP Sharma Oli published just the Chuche Naksha in
Yeah.
the map in the,
The
Nepalese
map of
node also.
Nepal,
That do you think that solved the Nepal-India border disputes?
No, 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 no. That border dispute, that is a different thing. That map which KP Oli passed a new map, that is a very good job. That time the parliament did. So, you know, everything, there are some people think that this has been guided by CIA. CIA may guide, but if Nepal is getting something, that is a good thing. If CIA also can guide, Indians also can guide, Chinese also can guide to get Nepalese land back to Nepal.
Okay, India has encroached the Nepalese land, or it's a border dispute. What do you think?
No, no, India has encroached the Nepalese land. Not only Nepalese land, but you know, if you will see the Treaty of Sagoli, the Nepal lost so many land. That is now in India, like Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Shimla, or any Himalayan states, even you know, in the western part up to river Ravi and eastern part up to river Tista, that is Nepali land.
So
That we have to get back.
okay, the very much well-known person, Ravi Lamichhane.
Yeah.
What do you think about him?
Ravi Lamichhane recently he declared that the Tista and the Kangra, the Nepalese land now in India, that must be we have to get back, he said. Like Madhav Nepal also said. The UML General Secretary Shankar Pokhrel also claimed about that. Even the Nepalese, you know, the General Secretary of Nepali Congress, what is his name, Mr. Sharma?
Vishwa Prakash Sharma.
Vishwa Prakash Sharma also claimed that the treaty of, according to the Treaty of Sagoli, Nepal must get the land which is now in India. The Britishers are the responsible for this, because when they were leaving India, they did not return Nepalese land. So Nepal must ask with United Kingdom, Nepal must ask India, and Nepal must ask all the land. There may be some land in Bangladesh, there may be some land in Sikkim, there may be some land in Indian states, different Indian states, in Uttarakhand or in Himachal or in Bengal. All the land Nepal should get back. This is the, you know, this is the voice of Nepalese leaders to get Nepalese land back. All the Nepalese leaders are slowly uniting, but only Prachanda also once said about this land to get back. Only Sherbahadur and KP Oli are keeping quiet. Otherwise, Jhalnath Khanal, Madhav Nepal, Ravi Lamichhane, and Vishwa Prakash, so many, Shankar Pokhrel,
Okay.
so many leaders are unified to get back the land under Sagoli Treaty. That is in India now.
Okay, the mayor of Kathmandu.
Yeah,
Metro.
he is a great man. Mayor also, when the Indian Prime Minister just put one map in his parliament newly built house, that there are Nepalese territory also he showed in India. But at that time, the mayor of Kathmandu, he just get that map of
Greater Nepal.
Greater Nepal, and he put in his office the map officially.
So, what kind of person is Balendra Saha in your point of view?
Very good person, doing very good job. There are good people also in politics. Huh? They are doing good.
So, he can change the fate of the nation one day, someday?
No, he cannot change the fate of the nation, but he is a sincere man. That is enough.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining with us.
Jai Gorakh.